Seeking a gateway to an unforgettable, extraordinary, and luxurious life experience in the vibrant city of Brighton and Hove? We have just the answer for you. Introducing London Road BN1 Student Accommodation. Nestled in a lively neighborhood, London Road BN1 offers a contemporary collection of en-suite apartments with amazing amenities ensuring a lavish lifestyle. Each bedroom offers a cozy bed, dedicated workstation, ample shelving, and a spacious wardrobe. Plus, enjoy the convenience of your own en-suite bathroom, ensuring privacy and comfort. But what truly sets this property apart are the exclusive amenities it offers, including a well-equipped gym, vibrant coffee area, multimedia room, gorgeous outdoor courtyard, and a state-of-the-art shared kitchen with cutting-edge appliances. And the best part? Your utility bills are already covered, so no extra headaches, just extra comfort. When it comes to convenience, Bellerbys College is just a leisurely 5-minute walk, while the University of Brighton is a quick 8-minute drive away. Step outside and you'll discover a host of restaurants and cafés serving up delectable menus. And for those distant adventures, simply catch a bus from one of the nearby bus stop or hop on a train at Preston Park Station. A mere 4-minute drive from your front door and land anywhere your heart desires in no time. Ready to make this place your second home? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.